It has been so long. Like so long, like so long. But anyway, welcome back to my channel. My name is Charlie Unique, if you don't know. So it's been so long, I literally, like, for real forget even how to do this, like but today's video, based on the title, is just going to be me using some Fenty products. I'm going to basically just do my makeup and fast forward the parts that you probably really don't care about and products that you already reviewed and stuff. But today they did drop the bronzer, and listen, I am so dark. Well, not that dark, there's people darker than me, but I could never find a bronzer. So I'm like really excited to really get into this bronzer to see how it looks on me. Also picked up the new highlighter, Afternoon Snack and Mo Honey. If you guys would like to see that and see how that bronzer looks on me, make sure you guys keep on watching. I'm not gonna lie to you, when I first saw this, I was like, it looks a little red, a lot of red. And I felt like she should have had, because I think there's only 8 of these, and this one is the darkest one, and this one is Mocha Mommy. And I just, look, I'm like, look how much is on there right now. I just want it to look good, but I felt like she should have had more. Should have had more. But does it look good, guys? I can't tell right now. Like, yeah, it's really red. Do you guys see that? Like, I don't... Okay, let me just finish. Like, it's one thing to be bronze, and then there's a whole nother thing to be, I don't know. I'm just talking, you guys. I'm collecting my thoughts to myself. And the thing is, I've been waiting for her to come out with this because I know that Rihanna is like always on it, and no other bronzer works for me. But now that I'm here, alright, I'm gonna finish my face and I'm gonna come back with my final thoughts. I'm gonna be trying the new highlighters as well. I'm gonna swatch them for you guys really quick. This one is, let me make sure I'm doing it right. This one is Mo Honey. Ooh, that one's pretty. Oh, let me make it focus. That one's Mo Honey. And this one is Afternoon Snack, which I'm typically an afternoon snack, so no big deal. That's the second one. It's Afternoon Snack. Focus. Okay, so I'm gonna go with Mo Honey because I want more honey. Look how pretty. I'm back. Okay. Alright, I'm back. I'm pretty sure I finished everything. I'm going to just take this Fenty Gloss Bomb and Diamond Milk that literally I bought months ago and never even used because I've been hooked on the original one that came out. But I'm just going to use this on my lips. Something light. I low-key don't like all of that glitter on my lip, but yeah. So what you guys been waiting for? I think that it looks great, you know, like looking at it right now, I'm not really a fan, but I was taking photos and I'm like, ooh, like it looks really cute. I do think that, mark my words, I'm sure so many other people said it, I do think that Rihanna will come out with more. I think that she will perfect this. I think that she will make more. I think the next one won't be so red. Like, it's really red. Like, I don't know if it's just me. I haven't watched anyone else's review or anything about how they feel about it, but I feel like it's really red. But again, I do think that it's nice on the skin. Couple months, I'm gonna need you to revamp this. I'm gonna need you to come up with better colors, even darker colors. Like, I'm not even that dark. Like, there's people darker than me that I don't think they would be able to use this. And let me show you guys exactly how it looks. I have so much light on, so this is like how the true color of how it looks. And I hope that you enjoyed me doing my makeup with my short little review on the new Fenty Beauty bronzer. Yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe what you'd like to see next. Hopefully I'll be back sooner than the last time. No promises. And thank you guys for watching. Bye.